join discord.gg/flatearth and enter a check-in room. Someone will come along and verify you to get involved in the conversation about our Earth.
Donald C., Part 6.
That's her answer. So now
no one has ever demonstrated.
The tokamak reactor demonstrates that.
Next to an open vacuum, show me. Post it in the live stream voice text right now. No physical barrier. Hold on. No physical barrier. 10 to the -17 torr right next to gas pressure. Post that in the live stream voice text. Only using gravity, no physical barrier. Using right next to the open vacuum, put gas pressure. Post that in live stream voice text.
Unreasonable.
No one has ever done that. No one ever will.
That is unreasonable.
Thermodynamics.
No one will ever be able to demonstrate that because
that's unreasonable.
He just admitted that his claim is unreasonable. For the record.
No, that experiment is unreasonable
because you can't prove
your claim is.
Well, that experiment is unreasonable.
Hold
because
up,
your claim is.
Maybe that's listening is getting confused. We're trying to just simplify it first. Okay, like
it's not a simple thing. You can't just simplify it.
Well, the thing is, why do things fall down? See, that's easy to explain.
Oh, no, Bong. You're going back to the whole that's just a whole separate thing. Let's stick to gas pressure. So again, let's focus here now. There's the X value in gas pressure when we're measuring gas pressure, just gas pressure by itself. It's measured in the X value form.
Can I ask you a question real quick?
So you take for instance, do you know what the X value is in your typical car? Your typical economy car, American economy car. You know what the X value is inside the tire? Tell me.
Can I ask a quick question, please?
No, come on, tell me.
No, there's a question standing at the moment. You can answer that one if you want to speak. Go
Come
ahead.
on, what is it? Come on, Mr. Smarty Pants. What's the X value in your typical economy car, your typical American economy car? What's the X value, PSI, inside the car tire? What is it? Tell me.
45 PSI.
Well, that's a little high, but 36 PSI to 45 PSI, yeah.
Depends on whether or not you have a low pressure.
Maybe your trucks might have 45 PSI, but yeah.
No, the smaller the tire, the shorter the tire, the higher the PSI. The taller the tire, the smaller the PSI. So it's your low pros are going to have the higher PSI. Your low profile tires.
What's her name?
Yeah, anyway,
can I ask you a quick question? Do you think that gas pressure is the same as atmospheric pressure? Because they're not the same.
Well, atmospheric pressure is not. No, they're not the same thing because atmospheric pressure is a fictional term. So gas pressure is a fictional term.
I mean, it's
a fictional term. It's like Harry Potter, Wingardium Leviosa. It's a fictional.
So why do you think that atmospheric pressure is fictional?
Because first of all, there's no atmosphere to begin with, so that's why.
What are you breathing?
Clear it up.
What do you breathe?
So here, everybody, listen. So atmosphere is technically a misnomer of a term. So atmo is Latin for air, and then sphere is a shape. Now, air is a gas, and gases have no inherent shape. Thus, atmosphere is a misnomer. It's a nonsensical term.
And that's why it's fictional.
See,
yeah, it's also fictional.
That doesn't make sense at all.
Yes, it does, Donald.
What's the name of the young lady that
gases have no inherent shape? He said it. It was clear. There was no
shape has nothing to do with whether you can breathe or not. Come on, guys.
Holy shit.
So what is it?
Yeah, okay. Holy shit. Yes, I'm here now.
So what
the fuck are you guys arguing about? This is
this guy is claiming that
I was listening. Go ahead.
He's saying that gases take shapes like spheres and stuff, and O'Ryan is addressing that. That's what's going on.
Oh, spheres! What spheres of air? No, we're not talking about spheres of air. Bong's not talking about that. What the fuck are you arguing about?
Okay, what do you breathe?
We're talking about how gas and a vacuum can't be next to each other, right? And then she says,
"So you disagree?" So, who's she?
Right? So she says.
I appreciate being unmuted. I was muted unwarrantedly.
Oh my gosh.
Straight to concern trolling. That sounds like a meme to me.
Don't come in, dude. You're unmuted. Don't talk about why or how. Just say what you're going to say, and then we'll move forward. Don't
Gets unmuted to say things that get people muted. Good one, Donald.
It's like, why would you go somewhere and say, "Oh, you unmuted me"? And we're going to talk about for the next 5 minutes why you were muted. What the entire fuck?
Thanks for unmuting me. I have no idea why I was muted, but thanks for unmuting me.
All right, Donald. So why do you want to talk to us? What do you have to say?
Somebody mute him again.
Well, I mean, I'll talk about it. I'll talk about anything related to the shape of the planet.
Sure, go ahead. Do you have questions for flat earthers?
No question.
What's your strongest argument?
The horizon. Only a
What
curved
about-
object can possess a horizon.
Bullshit.
Okay,
Is that
show me a shaped object other than curved that possesses a horizon.
How about your fucking table?
Yeah, the Earth.
It has an
That's
egg,
not a curved
not
object.
a horizon.
There you go, the Earth. That's not a curved object. Done. Now what do you want?
Well, except it has a horizon. Only curved objects can possess horizons.
That's a nice assertion. Have you measured the curve that you say is necessary?
Your statement is illogical. Okay, go look that up, please. Thanks.
Oh, why is it illogical?
Because it just is. That's just the way life and things present themselves. You know, not
That's
the way you're
not an
talking.
argument.
Well,
It's
it's a
not an
baseless
argument.
assertion, so
No.
there's that.
It's not a
It's
baseless
illogical that
assertion.
way.
It's geometry.
Yeah, no, it's
Oh,
not.
no.
That's another baseless assertion.
Geometry.
It's baseless assertion. Now
No,
it's
it's
baseless
not
assertion
geometry.
stacked on top of baseless assertion. So really illogical.
Geometry. I asserted
Assume,
with
you have
geometry.
to assume a non-rotating plane in all fields that
I
have
have
to take
personally
into account
measured
the
rotation.
horizon. Listen,
How'd you
have
do
to
that?
take into
Long
account
just
the
made a claim.
horizon.
He just
have
said
to
that he personally measured rotation. How'd you do that?
Okay,
my cell
wait,
phone.
man. The horizon. Hold on, man. If you have to know where the stars are to navigate, okay, you need a flat, non-rotating plane. Okay.
Well,
If you want to do
No.
anything that uses the horizon, you need to assume a non-rotating plane.
that's
Okay.
just not true.
What are you talking about? You don't know anything. You haven't even taken a course in anything to do with the horizon. Do you know what photography is?
There
Do
are
you know
no
what surveying is? Hello? Do you
There
know
are no
what celestial navigation is?
Yes.
Do you know what
yes, I do.
celestial? Okay. Do you know what the sextant is?
Yes.
The
Yes, I do.
sextant. All right. So a sextant, okay, requires a flat, a level surface
It's not
from you,
at all.
the observer, from the observer to the horizon. Okay, you have to assume that is flat in order for you to
No,
look
you
up at
don't.
that star,
That's
aim
not
at
the
that
thing.
star, and let me finish what I'm saying. There's a
But you're
triangle.
wrong.
There's a star up there, and there's a horizon. Okay, and then there's you, the observer. That's your triangle. Okay.
No, you don't need a triangle to do celestial navigation.
Oh my god.
You need a single angle, one angle, not three.
Okay. How do you get an angle?
Well, you use a sextant or a quadrant. You can do it with a quadrant, but you can only find your latitude with a quadrant.
Well, take your angle, okay, and make the bottom of that angle curved, okay? I don't care how curved it is, just make it curved, and then tell me what your angle is.
That's not how it works with celestial navigation.
Okay, exactly. That's not how it works. I agree.
Yeah,
It has to
that's
be
not
flat.
how it works.
It has to be flat, right?
Well, no, you don't need flat. No. You need a
You're
tangent.
trying to say that
No.
ball, right?
A tangent. Okay, so that means that there must be a curve somewhere then, right?
That's the point, yes.
Okay, show us that curve. Can't have a tangent without a curve, so show us the curve.
The horizon can only exist on a curved object.
There's that stupid fucking assertion again. Now show us the curve that you say you
Geometry.
need to have a horizon.
Well,
what is the? let me
only
just-
a curved object can possess a
Hey,
horizon.
you're just repeating the same assertion now for like a
Sure,
fifth time.
refute it.
Show us the curve
wrong,
that you
Radius.
claim is
He's not wrong.
I
necessary
mean,
for a
that is
horizon to
curved, so
exist.
refute it. You have to disprove it somehow.
It's a baseless assertion. So far, there's nothing to disprove, idiot. So
Wait,
show us the
hold on,
curve that
bro.
you say is
Hold on.
necessary in order to have a
Sure,
horizon.
no problem.
Wait,
Okay.
wait, everybody
Give us a
stop.
measurement.
Hey, I'm gonna try and moderate this. So hold on. First, let's get some things. Let's clear some things up. What is the radius of the globe? Okay, can you answer that?
Almost
Yes or no?
4,000 miles. It's like 39,
How-
60 something.
3959. Okay, 3959. Do you know why we need to know that? Do you know why we need to know that?
Well, because a lot of calculations rely on it.
No, it's because of the horizon. That's why we need to know that, because you're saying
More than the
somewhere
horizon
on this
relies on
ball-
the calculation of the
you're
radius. of the
saying,
plane.
wait, because you're saying that somewhere on this ball, okay, the horizon, okay, that's where your tangent line is, right? A tangent line is a straight line, and you're gonna put it on a
No,
ball.
the horizon is not a
Ball-
tangent.
Look, a tangent line is a straight line from you, okay, to the horizon.
No, well, yeah, well, no, that's no.
No,
A
no.
tangent
What are you
is
looking at?
just
What
a
is
tangent is
line?
just, a tangent is just a straight line that intersects with the sphere at a single point.
Okay,
No,
show us the
I'm
sphere it's
talking about
intersecting
looking.
with.
I'm talking about looking through the fucking sextant, buddy. Like you're looking through the sextant, okay? You're establishing your tangent line. You're looking at the what?
Well, you
At
don't
the
need a
horizon.
tangent line. What you need is the angle from the horizon to the star that you're measuring.
First, you say you don't need a curved surface, right? You don't need a curved adjacent. Now you say you don't need a curved adjacent. You need a tangent line. And now I'm
That's
saying,
not-
all right,
yeah,
we understand.
yeah,
Either of those things.
You don't need a
I
tangent
never
line. You
said
need a
either of those things.
Listen, no, stop. How are you going to get an angle without a tangent line? Without that bottom line, adjacent, that
You-
bottom line that you're looking,
You can get an
you're
angle without.
looking at the horizon. Then you have to look at the star. That's your
No,
angle that you're trying to get, right? But you're trying to avoid the flat surface. You're trying to avoid celestial navigation. Why?
Tangents and angles are not related.
Man,
Then why are you using a tangent line to get an angle, dumbass?
You're not though. That's the thing. You're not.
Oh,
So-
yeah, I
so
know
anyways,
you're not, but it was your claim that
you're
you
wrong.
are. Okay, but good
You're
job
wrong.
throwing that under the bus. Thanks.
yeah, you go learn about this and how to do it. Okay, then you come back and you tell us how to do it
I know how
properly. Okay, okay.
I actually own a quadrant and know how to use it, and I know how to use the sextant. I've used one before.
So basically, what you're doing is you're just avoiding using words like flat, horizon, looking at the horizon, right? I asked you what's your strongest argument. You said horizon, and now you won't even say you've got to look at the horizon to establish a tangent line.
Well,
the
no,
hell?
that's not what you're doing. Is you're not establishing a tangent line. You're establishing an angle from a star to the horizon. It's not necessarily a tangent.
Oh,
you
right,
have
no
to line
tangent
up-
line. Well, that's our point. You don't
You
have
can
a
do
tangent
that
line
without
because
a
you would need a
tangent.
curved
The thing is-
surface. Yeah, that's
You
the
have to
point.
line up the
You would need the curved surface in order to have the tangent line, but like you just said,
you
you
can
don't have
establish
one.
an angle. Listen, you can establish an angle without a tangent line. But
Oh, really? Yeah, I know you can because that's exactly what you're doing in reality. You have no tangent line. You would need a curve to have a tangent line, so you don't have that. So
don't
obviously,
need
we're
one.
getting these angles without that.
the
You're
only
avoiding. You're avoiding saying. Okay, you're avoiding saying that the horizon we're looking at is where the curve of the Earth is. You're not saying that for a reason because you know that you have to assume
No,
it's
I'm
flat.
asserting that absolutely. I'm asserting that that's the horizon
Okay,
can only the horizon
then-
can only hang on. The horizon can only exist on a curved object.
That's just
No,
retarded
man.
because the horizon would be a tangent point. You just told us that you don't have a tangent
The
point.
horizon is not a tangent. Stop saying that,
But-
please.
Yeah,
man,
okay,
nice
so then it's
try.
not a curve. There's no curve aspect to it
Yeah.
then.
Horizons
That's the dumbest-
only exist on curved objects.
Oh my
Well, that's
god,
just-
you just said it's not a tangent point, which it would be
Yes,
on the
but a
curved
tangent
object
is
that you're
not a
saying it
horizon.
must exist on.
Yeah, we're not going to
You
argue
don't
about
think
Tangent
this.
is not a horizon.
You just completely
gonna-
contradicted yourself from one
No,
sentence
I
to the
didn't
next.
because a tangent is not a horizon.
Yeah,
stop
I
talking.
know it's not a horizon. That is the point,
have a
little
tangent on
Donald.
two-dimensional
That is the
curve.
point, little Donald.
You
On
You
the
have a
curved
tangent to a
surface.
circle. A
On the
circle
Do you
curved
has
have another?
surface, on the curved
Do you have another
surface, the
argument?
horizon would be the tangent point that you
Do
just said it's
No!
not. You idiot.
Horizons are not
Do you
tangents.
have
Stop
another
saying that.
argument?
Yes, that is
Please
Do you have
our
another?
fucking
stop saying
point.
that.
Do you have
Oh
another
my
Please stop
argument?
god,
saying that.
dude.
Please
Do you
stop
have
saying that.
another Do you have
Please.
another argument? Do you have another
Please stop
argument?
saying that.
Sure, I have
Okay,
many.
but
Do
Bond,
you
he just
have
wrapped it
another
up for
argument,
us. He
please?
Yes,
just
I have
told
many.
us. He just
All
wrapped
right,
it
all
up.
right. Give us another argument.
Okay,
I'm just,
so
real
I can
quick.
measure.
Yeah, he just wrapped it up for us because when he said it is not a tangent point,
Don't bring that
stop saying
argument
it's
here
a
again.
tangent point. Yeah, I just
Yeah.
want to make sure this is clear. When he
It's
says that
just
it's
too
not a
stupid.
tangent
It's too
point,
stupid
what
to
he
even
does is throw
entertain.
his claim that he
Just
needs to have a curve in order to have a horizon under the bus,
yeah.
because with the curve scenario, the horizon would be a tangent point. He obviously doesn't know that. Anyway, what's next now, Donald? Now that you threw your claim under the bus,
Muting me.
What's the
Don't
There
next?
use your
was no reason to mute me. No reason at all.
The reason is
Oh.
so
If
that
you
the
mute
audience
me,
can...
hang on. If you mute me,
No. The reason is so that the audience can hear your blunder, so that you can't just steamroll through us. Yeah, elucidating it. Okay, bye.
Did he leave?
Yeah,
Yeah, he sounds like he was crying, man.
but that just blew my mind. Sorry, I couldn't help but jump in because he said that it can only exist on a curved surface. Then he says it's not a tangent point, which it would be on the curved surface. That guy is just... I don't even know if he's insane. He's probably just
I
stupid.
think he's like 15. Oh no, 14
Yeah.
maybe. I think he's something
Yeah.
like that.
Spartans! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.